These are our 10 days old chicks. The other one is 9 days. As you can see, even for one day, you can make the difference. The right one is smaller and left one is bigger because he's one day older. They always try to cuddle each other. Don't know why. I took them out just to make sure that there's no anomaly or anything. They are clean. As you can see, one of them did poop. So I'll just check on them and then I'll put them back because they are currently being fed by their mom and dad, who have been very diligent. Right now they are sitting on the AC vent, as you can see. Back to the chicks. So I will separate them again because so you can see their crop, it's pretty much full. So they are not hungry because whenever they are hungry they ask for food. I also have arrangement for them to be hand fed if at any point in time their parents give up.